Arvind Kejriwal, it's quite clear that you and the government are on collision course, but you must explain what the basis of this collision course is. Question 1 to you, Mr. Kejriwal. The government says that the CBI or any agency that the Lokpal entrusts with the investigation, any agency, not under the Lokpal, but the Lokpal can entrust the CBI or any agency with the investigation, will have to get back to the Lokpal in 6 months. Why is this not acceptable?
What do you mean by supervision?
No, supervision as in handling investigations. That when they are handling investigations, they will have to come back to you on the details.
Come back to you for what? Under CRPC, no interference is allowed in any investigation. Investigating officer, you cannot interfere in any manner. So what kind of supervision, what kind of control are you talking of? CBI, the biggest problem is that the administrative and financial control of CBI lies with DOPT, and this is what the government misuses. The selection of CBI officers, the transfer of CBI officers, the repatriation of CBI officers, everything is in the control of DOPT. Then what will Lokpal do?
No,
Lokpal has absolutely no control over the CBI officers. So practically Lokpal has no investigative powers. You are creating a body, anti-corruption body, which has no investigating powers. It is the biggest joke that I've heard so far, that you're creating an anti-corruption body without any investigative powers. And interestingly, the draft bill that they had presented in August, against which Anna went on fast, there they had given investigative powers to Lokpal. They had said that Lokpal will have its own investigative wing and the Lokpal will be able to do its own investigations. Now, after Anna's fast, rather than improving upon the bill, they have taken away the investigation powers of Lokpal. I think this is the biggest fraud that this government is playing on the people of this country.
Now, are you saying there has been a U-turn on the government from their previous position?
Not just U-turn. It's not a U-turn. It's the biggest fraud that they are playing. They are creating a Lokpal with no investigating powers. They are saying Lokpal will just receive a complaint and they will have to contract out the investigations to any agency which are in government's control. So practically the government will do the investigations for Lokpal and give it to Lokpal. What kind of honest investigations can you expect? The government investigations will all be compromised.
Look at it, Arvind Kejriwal, from the other perspective, that you will have the powers to reject the investigation. If you don't like the way the investigation has gone, or you think factually it's not correct, it's motivated or it's biased, then you can send it back. That's the point they are making.
Only the court can reject the investigation. The Lokpal cannot reject the investigations.
You can send it back.
So why are you creating Lokpal? CBI today, rather than creating a Lokpal, CBI can directly entertain the complaints and CBI can directly go to the court. Why are you bringing one Lokpal to act as a post office to transfer the complaints to CBI and then take it to the court? This is what Lokpal's job is.
No, but doesn't it matter to you that there will be an independent body for prosecution which can reject, and I'm making this point again, it can reject the findings or it can seek further investigation. You still have the powers to do that. You don't have police powers. You don't have powers of investigation, but you have the powers of an independent body for investigation, questioning the investigation. That stays with you, Mr. Kejriwal.
No, that is all fine. It is the court that will seek. The prosecution wing has only two jobs to do. One is when the investigation report will come, they will only assess the evidence, whether there is sufficient evidence to file the charge sheet in the court or not, and then take the matter to the court. It is for the court to decide whether to impose a punishment, order a reinvestigation, whatever. It is for the court to decide that. And what is preliminary inquiry? Preliminary inquiry, I was talking to some CBI officers.
Which you can reject.
More than 80% of the cases, there is no preliminary inquiry. Why are they now forcing a preliminary inquiry? Preliminary inquiry would even act as dangerous in many cases. Suppose CBI wants to do a raid on a particular case and you say that a preliminary inquiry is compulsory in that case. So if you start a preliminary inquiry in any case, then the corrupt officer would come to know that his house might be raided and the surprise element would be over. So by bringing all these things, they are even compromising whatever little that we have in the form of CBI. They are completely making CBI also ineffective.
Look at the positives. The government has said, and I'm only highlighting these positives, the government has said that they will also make the Lokpal a constitutional body with statutory powers, thereby strengthening the institution of the Lokpal in the long run.
What is constitutional? What is constitutional body?
Statutory,
There
tribunal.
are so many constitutional bodies. CAG is a constitutional body. It does not have any penal powers. Gram Sabha is a constitutional body. Panchayat is a constitutional. What powers do they have? They have no powers. So you
Election
just
Commission.
put one body in the constitutional does not make it powerful. There are many statutory bodies which are far more powerful than the constitutional bodies. You have CBI. CBI has been created through a law, not through constitution. CBI is far more powerful than CAG. CBI is far more powerful than the Election Commission. CBI is far more.
No, the Election Commission, 1 minute. The Election Commission is a constitutional body. It is a tribunal, it's a constitutional body under a certain article of the Constitution. Is the Election Commission, Mr. Kejriwal, not independent?
No, you can make a constitutional status is just a tamasha that this government has created. Just because Rahul Gandhi wanted a constitutional status, they are just creating a tamasha out of this constitutional status. I would ask Rahul Gandhi to open his mouth and say, what is his stand on CBI? Why is the Congress afraid of making CBI independent? What are those files that are there in CBI which they are afraid of if they came out in open? What is Congress afraid of? Let Rahul Gandhi make a statement on this. Why is he not saying whether CBI should be made independent or not? Why can't CBI be brought under Lokpal? Why are they making jalebis of this entire anti-corruption machinery? कि वो उसके पास complaint करेगा, वो फिर उसके पास complaint करेगा, वो इसके पास complaint. This is all a tamasha that they have done of the entire anti-corruption.
The government today wants to know from you, Mr. Kejriwal, that they have placed this. And I don't undermine the possibility of this being a very rigid position taken by the government in order to give a little bit of space as the negotiation gets more intense over the next few days. They want to know whether there is any possibility of your calling off your agitation on the 27th.
The only possibility is be honest. Don't be dishonest. The government has shown that it is a dishonest government which is trying to protect the corrupt people. It is trying to protect corruption. It is encouraging corruption. Be honest in your attitude and come clean. Make one clean anti-corruption body, give them the jurisdiction, give them the power, and the country will be salute you. But if you do these kind of things, I think the country will teach you a lesson.
On the other hand, the government is saying that Arvind Kejriwal and his team, especially Arvind Kejriwal, is completely unreasonable. Arvind Kejriwal wants the government to hand over complete command over the Central Bureau of Investigation, which is not practical. Are you continuing with your agitation on the 27th?
Because if CBI comes out of government's control, the government will fall. The coalition government is running only through the misuse of CBI. CBI is not an anti-corruption body today. CBI is there to keep the coalition governments going. And that is the reason why the government doesn't want to leave its control over CBI.
What about the BJP and the other parties? They have not been making their position clear. Even yesterday we had BJP representatives. They say let the government handle it. Why are you not targeting the other parties?
Because all the political parties, whoever was in power has misused CBI. And they think that if they come to power tomorrow, they will continue misusing CBI. That is the reason that many of these parties are not coming clean on CBI. All of them have misused CBI and they want to keep misusing CBI once they come to power.
The question was BJP. The government has said and is likely to say we have introduced the bill. Now, we introduced the bill, the rest of it is for the parliament to implement. Are you fighting the government or are you fighting parliament?
Of course, you have to be targeted. Of course, you have to be targeted because you have to bring a strong bill. The kind of bill that you are bringing is a mockery of, it is a fraud played on the nation. You have to take the responsibility for that. You bring a weak bill and you have a majority in the parliament and then you say it is the parliament that is responsible. Don't make a fool of the people of this country.
Where is this going, Arvind Kejriwal? They say we have extended the winter session. The winter session is extended. You also announced your agitation from the 27th. Is your agitation certain?
If this is the kind of bill that is coming,
this is what we know.
This bill should not be allowed to be passed by the parliament because this will completely do away with the efficacy of existing CBI also. It is a very dangerous bill. Whatever exists in our country in the name of anti-corruption would be completely demolished if this bill were passed in the parliament.
But some critics...
I would urge all the opposition parties, If this is the kind of bill coming, then they should completely oppose this bill.
Well, at least the principal opposition party is hedging its bets right now. Some critics say the fight for the Lokpal has now reduced, Mr. Kejriwal. It's reduced, it's narrowed down to a fight over the specific issues of the autonomy and functioning of the Central Bureau of Investigation. It's narrowed down.
No, I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that. It is only because you are talking about CBI right now. There are several issues with respect to this bill. Whatever little we are hearing, whatever stories which are filtering out, but I would like to speak on this tomorrow once the actual authentic official copy of the bill is out.
No, when I spoke to some people in the government, they said we have gone more than 50% of the way. Out of our way, in fact, in agreeing to most of your demands. What more does Team Anna want?
It's not even 50%, but even if they are saying 50%, why don't you travel the entire length? Are you interested in tackling corruption or not? Why are you saying 50%, let's do 50%, let's do 20%, let's do 10%? Let's come honest, let's come clean, and let's do everything that is possible to tackle corruption in this country. The people are fed up of corruption. You are saying you are bringing food security bill for 1 lakh crore rupees. Rajiv Gandhi only said, who was the congressman, he said that 15% of the money reaches the people. That means out of this 1 lakh crore rupees, 15,000 crore is meant for the poor people and 85,000 crore rupees is meant for the corrupt parties, corrupt politicians and corrupt bureaucrats. So you're bringing all these schemes, you're interested in bringing these high amount schemes, but you're not interested in checking corruption.
What are your plans? Is your agitation almost certain? Can you confirm the agitation will happen in Mumbai, that the fast and the protest will happen in Mumbai from the 27th, and what shape it will take?
Anna has already declared just now that he's sitting on fast on 27th, and after that there will be a Jail Bharo Andolan. And let's see the bill tomorrow, Arnab, and we'll comment on it later.
If yesterday there appeared rumour for a compromise, today it looks almost certain that it's moving towards collision course. Will a miracle happen? We don't know. Arvind Kejriwal, thank you.